Hey YouTube, working on an old Model A. It's a 29 Ford Model A. Gonna put a clutch in it. This thing was restored many years ago. I got it up in the air here. I've already started on it a little bit. Got the safety chains on it, straps. Got a brake brace in here in case the old Harbor Freight engine hoist fails, which I doubt it does. It's fine. I'm gonna take all this stuff off here. Take the brake rods off. I'm going to drop this axle right here. Drop that axle. This will pull out of the transmission. I got a lot of parts off the transmission already. There's a bell housing. I'm going to pull these off here. I got them soaking in the old blaster there. I've had this axle up before, putting a ring gear in it. So things won't be too bad to come loose. I noticed it's got a leak. There's a gasket leak in here. There's the clutch inside there. Got to pull this back. There's the seat. I think we got some termites. I better spray that before I put it back in. I saw all this stuff here. Well, I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.